Welcome back. This is Daniel Parsons, Prife International Independent Business Owner, and it's the 26th of December 2023. And I've got here my Prife Seven Wonders water bottle, and I'm getting some really healthy water while I'm with my wife's family in the southern part of Chile in South America. So, this update video is about the upcoming USA price increases and last call for the Oxy Tap Infuser. That this device increases the dissolved oxygen in your own pure drinking water, and it's compatible for people that have Kangen water machines, or it's it's not replacing any existing water filtration system that you use right now. All it does is that it's incredible. It increases dissolved oxygen up to, I believe, one tap will take your normal dissolved oxygen level parts per million, and most of your popular brands of bottled water, it's around 7 to 8 parts per million. With one tap of this Oxy Tap device that's exclusive to Prife International, you can increase your dissolved oxygen level to up to 27. And so with more taps, you can increase that dissolved oxygen even higher. I remember in the video for the pre-launch, it said up to 50. And people that are struggling with some of the most common diseases and illnesses in the world, you would definitely want to go to 3 taps. So, that introductory price of $2,000 has absolutely no commissions paid out, but as a leader at Prife International, it's important that as many of my team members get that special rate. So that's why I'm publishing this video, and my subscribers will see this, hopefully. And so, because when the company announces the package level and then the price, it'll definitely be more than $2,000, because you can't pay commissions out on $2,000, because that's what the cost is to get it shipped and the taxes included to various regions of the world. So the shipping is from Singapore for all of you on our team that have already ordered. And so your shipping will be soon. You should be getting tracking information in your email that you provided me. So what I need, if you want to get in on this last second OxyTap $2,000 offer, because they have a limited supply. As of this morning, the man that's in charge of this, he said, keep sharing the Oxy Tap. So they still have it available. Um, and so the last thing I wanted to share today is that the price increases for USA will go into effect on the December the 31st, due to the server where I am. Malaysia is 11 hours ahead, but Eastern time, Malaysia is 13 hours ahead, and Pacific time, Malaysia is 16 hours ahead. So that's why you need to have your orders done on December the 31st, because once New Year's morning rolls around in the USA, it's too late. I also, many people are probably still asleep, because of the New Year holiday. And so you need to get your order in before New Year's Eve close of business, which is December 31st. So I am 2 hours ahead of the Eastern time zone right now until the latter part of January when I have to go back to the USA. And so the existing price right now on the classics are $380. They're going up to 400. The existing price right now on the premium iTeraCares is 1,140 and they're going up to 1,200. The existing price right now on your iTeraCare Pro device is 3,800 and it's going up to $4,000. And then the last product that will have the price increase is the negative ion shield, your electronic mask. These are 350 now and they're going up to $370. And the reason the company told us is it's just because the cost of materials is just keeps going up with the inflation that's going on here in the last part of 2023. So that's the end of this video today. God bless you. Once again, my handle on Telegram for my USA phone is Daniel Parsons. And then my handle for my Chile phone is Daniel in Chile, Chile. And so you should be able to remember that, and you can just replay the video if you need to hear that again. So that's it. Get your orders in now, and I look forward to a really wonderful 2024 in Prife International. It's going to be a big, big year for those of us that are sharing these wonderful wellness devices. They're in-home therapy devices. And I'm not a licensed medical provider. I'm just a wellness marketer. And thank you. I appreciate your business.